Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the aim responsive curve on your controller sticks using Steam on PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now here's something important you need to know before we continue. Make sure your controller is already connected to your PC. This is essential because without it, you won't be able to access the settings we're about to configure. Once you're logged in and your controller is connected, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam interface. You'll see an option labeled Library. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your games collection where you can manage all your installed titles and their individual settings. In the left panel, you'll now see your list of games. Browse through and click on the specific game you want to change the aim settings for. This could be any shooter or game that benefits from customized controller aiming. Selecting the right game is crucial because these settings apply on a per-game basis, giving you full control over how different games handle your aim. After selecting your game, look at the right panel. You'll notice a button that says View Controller Settings. Click on it to access the controller configuration options for this specific title. This is where Steam's powerful input customization really shines, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your controller behavior. Next, you'll need to click Enable Steam Input. This feature unlocks Steam's advanced controller customization tools and is necessary for making any changes to your aim response curve. Without enabling this, the options we need simply won't be available. Now click the Edit Layout button. This opens up the full controller configuration interface, where you can modify virtually every aspect of how your controller behaves in-game. The interface might look complex at first, but we'll focus on exactly what we need. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Joysticks. This section controls all the behavior related to your analog sticks, which is exactly what we need for aim customization. Navigate to the right joystick behavior section and click the gear icon right beside it. The right stick is typically your aim control in most games, so this is where we'll make our adjustments to improve your aiming experience. Look for Stick Response Curve and click the drop-down menu right beside it. This is the setting that determines how your physical stick movement translates to in-game camera or aim movement, and it's the key to finding your perfect aiming feel. You'll now see several response curve options available to choose from, each designed for different playstyles and game types. The options include linear, aggressive, relaxed, wide, extra wide, and custom curve. Let me break down what each one does so you can make an informed choice. Linear gives you a one-to-one stick movement, and it's the default setting. Aggressive provides faster aiming with small stick movements, making it great for quick reactions. Relaxed offers more precise aiming near the center, perfect for controlled shots. Wide gives you even more fine control around the center for maximum accuracy. Extra wide provides maximum precision near the center at the cost of slower turning speed. Finally, custom curve lets you draw or adjust your own response curve for complete personalization. For most first-person shooters, the recommended settings are aggressive or custom, as these allow for quick target acquisition and responsive aiming. However, if you're playing tactical shooters, where precision is more important than speed, you'll want to select linear or relaxed instead. Go ahead and select your preferred option from the list based on the type of game you're playing and your personal aiming style. The changes will apply immediately, and you can always come back to adjust if something doesn't feel quite right. And that's how you customize your aim response curve in Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.